Hi guys, how are you? Below hosting full complete review. If you are looking for good and affordable web hosting, then you check to go with Bluehost web hosting. This page connected first quick overview, second hosting type and features, third security and backup features, fourth hosting plan and fifth pro and cons, sixth customer support and seventh performance and speed test, eighth money back guarantee and refund, ninth is the right choice for you, 10th how to sign up for Blue hosting, 12th 11 coupon and discount offer, 12 13 friendly ask question, 14 feedback and rating, 15 please rate your services experience. Blue hosting first web hosting company. Bluehost is a web hosting providing with strong customer services, uptime and value for money. Also, if you are looking to host a WordPress site, then this is the provider for you. Some of Bluehost features and stronger than other through. Read on the learn more. Bluehost is one of the most popular at the same time most affordable web host on the market. Official WordPress recommended Bluehost is a rated number 1 in web hosting for small business. Bluehost, an official WordPress recommended hosting provider, it's one of only 3 hosting companies employed by WordPress. With Bluehost, you never have to worry about your website being slow even then there is a lot of traffic. Founded in since 2003, they are owned by Andreas International Group and were founded in 2003, so then have been around for a long time, then have an excellent reputation in the web hosting world and host 2 million websites worldwide. This number is growing by the thousand every day. Open sources. This corporate vision is to create a better, safer web for everyone. Bluehost supported this vision by inventing in open sources project promotion web celebrity and making their services easy for people of all ages to use. Today I will be sharing a detailed analyze and complete review of Bluehost hosting, and you can decide if this hosting is right for you or not. If you are planning to create a website or belong, click here to get started. Second, hosting type and features. Below hosting type and features. Shared hosting. Shared the cheapest and easiest journal services. Shared hosting is the perfect way to start a new website with low traffic value In a shared hosting environment, your website shares servers resources with other websites. Cloud hosting, a more reliable upgrade to the shared hosting plan, it's allow you to utilize unlimited cloud service, allowing your website to automatically switch to a different server in case of a hardware or high traffic. Cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, a hosting packages designer specially for WordPress powered website. It is optimized to run WordPress and can even protect your WordPress site against common threats. WooCommerce hosting. WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress. It's allow you to easy start an online store with WordPress. WooCommerce hosting offers you all the analytics features to kickstart your e-commerce site. VPS, virtual private servers, hosting and upgrade to share WordPress hosting. VPS hosting allow you to virtual decided resources in a shared environment. Decided servers hosting a dedicated server to for your website means you will have all the resources of the server to you yourself. The download site in the you will have to manage the server on your own. Main features overview: disk storage unlimited, domain hosting yes, free domain name 1 year, sport domain name yes, POP3 over POP3, source email unlimited, IMAP source IMAP email unlimited, 3 different web mails yes, forwarding email accounts unlimited, park domains unlimited, subdomains unlimited, EC plan account control yes, FTP access yes, web files manager yes, secure shell SSH access yes, server side includes yes, hot link products yes, override hotspots yes, long files yes, sites set yes, customizable error page yes, customer cron jobs yes, spam assessing protections yes, $200 marketing credit yes, free SSL rectified yes, WordPress starting yes, SSD hardware yes, free worldwide CDN yes, free website spreads message from PHPBB unlimited, for mail scripts yes, social networking scripts yes, blog sport WordPress etc yes, mailing list yes, images galleries yes, poll and survey software yes, module yes, tiki wiki yes, Drupal yes, Joomla yes, project management scripts yes, help center support Ticket scripts, yes. E-commerce features, SSL secure services, yes. OS commerce shopping carts, yes. Agro shopping card, yes. Cube card shopping card, yes. N card shopping card, yes. Free rectified, yes. Password protect, yes. Open PGP over GPG, yes.